Dragonhawk, let's talk about this. Hey YouTube, my name is Tan and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, what's up noob? Today we are going to talk about this guy right here. The MAST Fold or the MAST Batpen. Or the Dragonhawk Fold or Dragonhawk Batpen. Fold if you're in the US, Batpen if you're outside of the US. This is the box right here. Nothing special, just a cheap little box. Included in the box is an RCA cable. Various extra parts, plastic parts might I add, that just tells me that these parts are going to fail with ease. Now let's get this RCA cable out of here. It's not the best, it's not the worst, but hey, they gave us one for the price, I guess. Prices, Amazon, $189.99. Color options are red, gold, black, and green. It's not really green, it's more of a cyan or some kind of teal or some kind of metallic teal, metallic cyan, whatever. They're calling it green, whatever. AliExpress, from the official Dragonhawk store in AliExpress, $189. So it's cheaper on AliExpress. Wow. And on AliExpress you get one extra color option, which is gray. The only thing that's going to change color is this red piece right here that you see. The mantle of the bat. The Dark Knight himself. Now, okay, let's go over specs. I'm not putting the official Dragonhawk website on here because if one of your Dragonhawk, if you purchase a machine through DragonhawkOfficial.com, the actual website, they don't have a very good customer service there. Like, it's just an email and that's it. You want a refund, you submit an email and they will get back to you whenever they get back to you, if they ever get back to you. Through AliExpress, you can actually put in the refund through the actual website on AliExpress. They review it on Amazon. You guys know how easy returns are on Amazon. What's up, Amazon? I see you. Anyway, let's carry on. Gotta have that coffee, guys. Gotta have that coffee. It's early. Gotta have that coffee. This robot dong weighs 200 grams even. It measures at... Oh, I'm sorry. It is RCA with a nice little LED included this time around. The machine is complete aluminum. You can autoclave the grip. Ratchet style grip, by the way. Look at that. Settle down. The grip comes off completely, and that is your machine right there. Now that grease right there, it usually comes with a lot more, but I cleaned it and I add a little of my own just to keep those bearings rust free and those O-rings nice and lubed. Inches for us Americans, 4.62 inches in length. In girth, it is 1.22 inches. For the rest of the world, in length, 117.5 millimeters in length. In girth, which is 31 millimeters for the rest of the world. Stroke options, here we are. Focus camera, let me set it to default. Stroke options, 2.4. Is it in focus? Yes it is, 2.4. Went one too far. Did I? 2.7, 3.0, 3.3, 3.6, 3.9, 4.2. The wheel spins a full 360 in either direction. As you can see, the strokes is just continuously changing right there, guys. It's just going. The recommended operating voltage from Dragonhawk is 5 through 12, although this being a cordless motor, I wouldn't take it to 12 and run it. I would take it to 12 every now and then, but I would not run it at 12 all the time, because you will see a significantly shorter lifespan on this Chinese cordless motor. At 8 volts, this cordless motor is punching at 6,500 RPM. So it's not the strongest motor, but it'll get the job done, no problem. Okay, let's talk about what I like and what I don't like. Okay, what I like, they've included that 2.4 stroke, so now you can literally build really smooth tones, super smooth tones, and 4.2 stroke. That is a plus, definitely, because this 4.2 on an eccentric wheel makes a noticeable difference when punching in color and punching in lines. And that 2.4 stroke makes a noticeable difference when creating smooth gray wash tattoos, or realism or black and gray tattoos. Really nice. You can really build tones with this machine. Okay, let's talk about what I don't like. Send the kids out of the room because it's about to get ugly. Design. This design is fucking stupid, Dragonhawk. Stupid. This design is fucking stupid. You took a fully functioning design, fully functioning, and somehow broke it. I don't know if you guys have. You guys should hire me so I could give you positive feedback on your machines, or subscribe to the channel so you guys know what's being said about your machines. Okay, like the reality of it. This design was not perfect, but it worked. It worked without any hiccups. It worked. This grip works. It's comfortable. Just rests on your finger. It just rests on the finger nice. You know what I mean? It just does it. It just works. That grip works. That stroke wheel or the stroke knob works. You can wrap the grip, you can wrap this centerpiece and wrap the knob with your battery or cable separately and adjust the stroke where you tattoo. You can't do that with this machine. You can wrap the grip and wrap the top part, but you can no longer adjust your stroke while you're tattooing. So if I want to change the stroke, while I'm tattooing, I have to leave this part exposed, right? That's a huge no. You don't want to do that. You don't want to do that because ink splatter is a real thing. And let's say you're, God forbid, which more than likely, if you're a tattoo artist, more than likely you've tattooed somebody who had some shit, you know what I mean? Like, they weren't exactly clean blood, if you know what I mean. You want that type of shit touching your machine? No, right? And if it does, you want to be able to clean it. You can't clean this. I can't just take a Madison spray bottle and just go to town on that top part, right? Right? Look at that. There is this weird design thing, loop thing here that goes around the stroke. You see that? It goes around the stroke. So now if you want to adjust this, you have to leave it open. If you're not wrapping this part of the machine, there are so many little crevices and whatnot in this machine, like that, the inside right here, like, you know, that part, like bacteria can get caught in there and like just start breeding and forming and whatnot. Before you know it, you're cross contaminating. You're giving somebody Hep C. That's stupid. This design, why? What is this? Why? This design looks like the Dark Knight himself made it in some cave somewhere, you know, in the Bat Lab. You know what I mean? Like, look at this. He'll whip this thing out and tattoo the name Martha on, and then strike fear in the hearts of criminals. You know what I mean? While he's tattooing them, while he's rocking that scary bat mantle. Anyways, besides the point, this design is stupid. By the way, it's just stupid. This grip is now less comfortable because there's 2 divots. Now you would say, Tan, that looks way more comfortable. I would disagree with you, because yes, it provides more grip, but at the cost of like this ridge right here stabbing into the joints of your finger. Like, this is no longer as comfortable. But if we're talking about the bare, you know, at what it is, like this, tell me this design on the Batfold looks more comfortable. Tell me it does. Tell me it does. No, it doesn't, or it isn't. They've introduced an LED into it. So now if you're there's that LED right there. If you're a wireless user like myself, your battery's gonna drain a lot faster for no reason at all. Like, why do I need a light there? I get it, maybe if you're on a foot pedal and you've got your headphones in and you want to make sure that the machine is running, you look at it. If you're going based on that light to know that the machine is running, then there you go. But the vibrations alone will tell you, hey, this machine is running. Now that Dragonhawk, get rid of that. Just get rid of it. We don't need it. Nobody needs it. Nobody asked for it. Nobody wants it. Nah, get it out of there. Dragonhawk, seriously, hire me, guys. Share this video to Dragonhawk. Send it to them on their direct messages on Instagram, on Facebook, whatever. Make them get this video. Dragonhawk, pay attention, okay? Pay close attention. Give us these stroke options on this body. That's it. Leave it alone. And maybe make this grip just a little bit wider, a little bit thicker. Just ever so slightly. A little bit, just a little bit. You know what I mean? Call it a day. Leave the design alone. Improve the motor. Give us a higher quality motor. Give us these stroke options on this machine, and give us a better grip. That's it. Case closed. Machine is working. Machine is perfect. That's it. Do that for us, and you will have a gem. People will be buying this machine if you make this grip more comfortable, if you improve the motor, and if you give us more stroke options, like that 4.2 on this body. On this style like this, on this style machine, leave it alone, and you'll have a good one. If you guys want to see a side-by-side comparison video, put it in the comments, guys. But I'll tell you right now, if you have this machine, if you have the Flip, don't buy this. You don't need it. It's a downgrade. If you're looking to buy this one, buy this one. This is a downgrade. This is superior in every way. Yes, it's got a 4.2. Yes, it's got a 2.4, and I love those strokes. I would appreciate them if they were on this machine, but they're not. And the form factor of this, simply not being able to wrap this up while I'm tattooing, to adjust the strokes while I'm tattooing, that's a no. Yeah, Dragonhawk, hire me. Send this video to Dragonhawk and tell them, hire him. He'll help you design. I will help him. I will help you, Dragonhawk, make a machine that is comfortable with zero BS. Like, the only advantage I see on this lump here is that if you set it on a surface, it's simply just not gonna roll. You know what I mean? It'll prevent it from rolling. That's it. That is it. But that hinders the stroke adjustment. Anyway, that's it for the video, guys. If you guys liked it, hit a like. If you guys dislike it, hit a dislike. If you guys have any questions or comments, put it in the comments. I have a review video on this machine. It'll come up somewhere up here, and you guys can go and check that out. But if you guys really love the video, please consider subscribing and hitting that bell notification, that bell icon, so you guys can get notified when I drop a new video. I am not affiliated or sponsored by any of these companies. It's all out of my pocket. But anyways, thank you for stopping by, and peace.